Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by choosing precise audio inputs so your recording contains both voice and system sound. In the app, pick your mic and enable system audio capture. This is why you must allow permissions. Once done, reduce noise by closing apps that steal audio or CPU. Make sure you have enough disk space. High-quality captures use roughly 1 GB per 10 minutes at 1080p 30 FPS. Now you're ready to move into layout and source selection. Next, you assemble sources and balance levels so audio stays clean during capture. Add a screen or window source, then overlay webcam if needed. Position layers logically. Set mic gain between -12 and -6 dB to avoid clipping. Add a noise gate and a limiter to control peaks. Also enable system audio and reduce game or app volume if it dominates. Once set, monitor through headphones and do a quick 10 to 20 second test recording to confirm sync and mix. Now start recording and watch CPU and disk indicators. Prefer a hardware encoder to lower CPU load, but choose software encoding if you need maximum quality. When finished, trim and export using AAC or Opus and normalize peaks to about -3 dB so playback is consistent. If you encounter no sound, make sure permissions were granted, the right default device is selected, and sample rates match between apps. Mismatched sample rates often cause.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.